We're gonna continue the technique and articulation talk for selection 1. So as I was saying, we don't need to push the air through a trumpet to make any of the notes like overblown, as is more accurate. We just need to place the notes, as I was saying before. Look over at measure 17. It says piano. The technique here is just lift it, quick air, yet connected. So you can tell I'm not rushing. Also, that which is really important when we're talking about technique. Keeping a steady tempo will help the accuracy of the technique and the articulation. As far as air is concerned, this section right there I just played. The approach is a soft, gentile air, yet we'll see measure 19, 22, 23. Dun, di, dun, di, da, 22. 22 and 23. As we need to close down on this, yet the air moves through. So we're moving up and we're moving the air through. So if you have any problems you find when you're playing, try isolating the section. Right at 26, slower. Those two Fs, they're gonna help us establish a point where we need to reconfigure. So technique always, it's paramount when we're playing the trumpet. It's all about how musically we can get. I mean, we need to have the substance to play the instrument, which just comes to technique. How we envision where the notes need to go, where we figure out through work. Where all these notes in the trumpet, we only have 3 valves here, or like, and the rest we have to figure out how to blow into the instruments in certain ways. The articulation here is always not gonna be punchy, just gonna be kind of longer yet really clear in the front. Doesn't mean choppy. For that example, I can pick measures 10. Okay? Or it's not gonna be choppy, it's just gonna be connected yet articulate. Measure 10. Again. Feel that? That air needs to be felt is lifting you. I don't like too choppy. one tip right there will be playing it slurred first with a lot of air through. And then use your tongue to give it definition. So if you see those dots on top, it's just a defined articulation, defined front. It doesn't mean that it needs to be choppy or, you know, tight in a way. That's just, the sound is more desirable. One important aspect too, like the ending, we get some really quick intervals that we need to sort out as we go through, move the air quick enough so we don't get stuck in certain notes. We're gonna start playing measure 36, okay? So you can tell I measured 37 and 38. There's some exercises to get familiar with intervals. Either you can take the slur out and just play articulate with articulation. So in a way you're like practicing just to figure out what the notes are. Then you can put that slur back on it and use a lot of air now that you know where to move.